Hello everybody, this is Richard Murphy, Technical Marketing Engineer with Cisco Systems. We're here at ISE 2018 and we're demonstrating cloud meetings. So what we have here in this example is a calendar invite. You can do it one of two ways. You can either use the @WebEx or I can use productivity tools. A simple and easy way that you can actually schedule a meeting and not worry about what the actual connection device is, because once I want to connect the meeting, I have these green buttons here. One button to push, so I have it on all the devices. So if I actually click on one, I can now start the meeting and I'll join immediately to this one for this particular user, Jake Jones. Now one of the new things here is we want to make sure you can see it's WebEx meeting, and I've got a camera preview here so I can actually see the video that I'm showing, and if I have this automatic show me in full screen view, when I connect into the meeting itself, it pops up just like you would on a video endpoint here. At the same time, I could join the same meeting from this DX70 just by hitting the join. So now I've got a two-person conference going on between multiple participants. And then, as I add other participants to the meeting itself, I could do it via the mobile. So right here in the mobile client itself, since I've called Jake before, I can easily just click on Jake, join the meeting. I don't have to worry about the number or passcodes or anything. It's inside the application itself. He'll now join this meeting. As you can see here, I'll start the video for you. And at the top we have the actual speaker that's actually going, and at the bottom we'll have a self view. And if I turn it sideways like this, you'll now get to see all the participants inside of it. So we have multiple video streams coming to the desktop as part of this. Now this is not only for WebEx-based clients. We can also do the same thing by adding Spark devices into it. So here I have a Spark application on a Mac. And if I go over here and click the same meeting, the Jake's meeting here, click join. When you use the Spark application on this particular Mac, he'll actually join into the same meeting and get everything that you see, all the participants. I can also share content back and forth. But as with Spark, one of the good things about it is we always have stuff that goes on before a meeting and after the meeting. So there's always work we have to do. We have a Spark space here with all the participants that, depending on what I've communicated with, I have a history or a log of all the files, communications between all the participants, and also I could have the recording of that meeting all put in one single space. So if I leave the project and Ken, for example, comes in 6 months into it, he can look at this particular Spark space and have all the information that he needs to continue on with the project. So with that, this is Cloud Meetings, and I'm Richard Murphy, and you can find more at www.cisco.com. Thank you.